Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Lately, I've been wanting to do like a DIY Pandora inspired charm bracelet, and of course I always like to find a more inexpensive way to do something. So your girl did some research and found some very good options on Amazon. So I have my packages here. I figured I'd do an unboxing for you all. One of the charms that I was most excited for did not come in time for this video. Let's start with the chain. Mia Bella. That's the company name. The company name is Mia Bella Italy. Mia Bella Italian 925 sterling silver solid 3mm snake chain. Mind you, this ran me only about $25. I got the extra small. After trying it on, I think this is actually like the perfect size for my wrist, and it still gives me a little bit of room for my charms, and it seems like very good quality. This is stainless steel, and a pro tip that I learned while doing a little bit of research is that you also want to get stainless steel charms as well, or else it'll tarnish the bracelet. So that's what I did. I made sure all of the charms were actually stainless steel as well. In total, I ordered 5 charms, and like I said, only 4 of them came, and the one that I was most excited for had delayed shipping, so I was not able to get that in time for this video, but I'll insert what that was supposed to look like here. It is super cute. It's like a little travel suitcase charm, and it has like a retro vibe to it. But let's go ahead and unbox this first one. This is so pretty. So this one right here is actually the cross one that I got. It is so stinking cute. Okay, so this cross one, oh, it was $19. It is so pretty. I wanted one that had like some crystals on it just to make it pop on my charm bracelet a little bit. So this next one, I am really into fitness, so when I saw this charm right here, I was like, oh, that is perfect, because I want, I wanted each charm to kind of represent something that is really important to me. And of course I got the cross for my faith, and this one is like a heart with a little dumbbell going through it. Only thing is the coloring on the pink coloring that's on the dumbbell, I would say could be a little bit better quality, and it's also a darker pink than what I thought it was gonna be, but it's still cute. I get the point of what it's supposed to be. This one was $16.99. This next charm right here that I got is like a little bow. It's super cute because it doesn't like dangle, it goes in between the bracelet, which I thought was nice. So I'm excited to see how this looks on the charm. I purchased this for about $11. Oh, this one is cute. So I got like a little balloon dog because I do have 2 dogs. I don't know, I thought it was cute and aesthetic for my little doggies. Quality is decent. I would say this one ran me about $12.99, but it's so cute. It's literally like those little sculptures you see with the balloon dogs. And then another tip that I learned while doing some research is that a lot of people buy these little stoppers to go on the bracelet. And what that does is kind of like keep the charms in place where you want them to be, so they're not sliding everywhere. So I purchased 2 of these stoppers, also stainless steel as well. So what I noticed is, in order to put the stoppers on, I needed to first put it through these tweezers in order to get it onto the chain. So that's just a tip. If you buy these exact ones that I did, you are going to need some type of tool to actually pull it through. So once I got the stopper on, I just started to assemble my charms in a way that I thought would look the best. If I could go back and do anything differently, I would definitely buy some more stoppers, just because the charms kind of all fall together, so more stoppers helps you align the charms on the bracelet, keeps them a little bit separate, so that way each one can kind of be showcased in its own way. So if you are like me and that bothers you, definitely order some more stoppers. Here is the final results of the charm bracelet. I can't wait to add more charms as well as add some more stoppers in between, just so when I wear it, you know, the charms kind of sit how I would like them to. But overall, I think this is such a cute way to express some of your interests, as well as a great gift for someone. I loved making this and I can't wait to add more charms to it. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you all are gonna try this inspired Pandora charm bracelet situation from Amazon. So far I'm in love and I can't wait to get more charms. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.